welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this like half up, half down, effortless type of curl look. This is like kind of, I don't know, I don't really know how to do hair very much, so I just try, you know, really do try. And I hope you guys enjoy the video and like enjoy watching me try to do this. Yeah, this is kind of like effortless curls, like, oh, girl next door type thing. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, keep watching. This hair is from Julia Hair. It is 28 inches of hair, so it's all the way really long. And yeah, so I'm gonna just do a half up, half down ponytail. And like, I've crimped my hair, so that's why I have like really waves in it. But this is just a loose wave hair from their collection. And yeah, so I'm just going to do half up, half down. But yeah, if you have any questions on this makeup look, it should either be up already or going to be up on the next video. So yeah. So first I'm just brushing all the hair back and stuff. And if you want to purchase this hair, the links will be also down below. Just brushing everything out so it can be, you know, nice and detangling. And we don't want a middle part, so I'm just gonna spray water on it, just the front part, so I can move better, because I feel like it got to be sprayed when I was doing my hair yesterday. Woo! Then you want to part the hair, so basically you want to go ear to ear. So I'm going to take sections of the hair out. I'm gonna comb and start grabbing hair so I can gather it to do the ponytail. And then I'm just gonna comb it up more so it can be like really on top of my head. This really kind of tight. The sides of my frontal, I know I'm gonna have to redo them, but they're lifting up. So you just want to pull. Try to do it really tight. I'm just laying this again. Okay, now I'm going to take a piece from the back and I'm going to wrap this around. So actually I don't need this much. Comb it out. I'm gonna curl my hair with pieces, and I'm gonna just curl them. This one goes from like Royale Ink or something like that. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this like half up, half down, like effortless kind of curl thing. Yeah, like these curls are not meant to be perfect at all. They're just meant to be like, you know, something. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. You know, follow me on my social media links. They'll be down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.